Welcome to Alva's. Here, learning is modern but rooted in values. We nurture an environment where structure is balanced with empathy, ensuring that every lesson shapes not only capable minds but caring hearts. Here, children learn to think and to imagine new possibilities. Each day begins together with the morning assembly, bringing everyone into one space, united and ready for learning. In our classrooms, learning is active and full of discovery. Teachers guide gently, helping each child uncover their own unique strengths. We build strong fundamentals from an early stage. Our NEET, JEE foundation courses for grades 6 to 10 and expert-led PUC programs prepare students for higher success. Kindergarten is where curiosity is welcomed, where play and stories begin the journey of learning. Study hours and guided activities follow, helping children focus and build steady, lasting habits. Dr. Mohan Alva belief guides everything we do. Every school in the foundation reflects this spirit of care and service. With its daily visits and close guidance, each school stays focused on learning and values. Learning does not stop inside a classroom. In our computer labs, children learn to use technology to create and solve problems. Science labs turn questions into experiments and discoveries with well-equipped physics, chemistry, and biology labs that open up real learning. Not just a laboratory, but a launchpad for dreams, the Space Lab transforms wonder into discovery as earthbound minds reach for the stars. AI learning tool helps every child read, speak, and shine, shaping confident communicators for life. The Atal Tinkering Lab is where ideas become models and young makers learn by doing. Abacus and Vedic maths sharpen focus and speed, helping young minds think clearly. Life at school includes care and comfort. Our hostels feel like a second home, safe and nurturing. The entire campus is monitored 24/7 through 5,000 plus CCTV cameras. A wide transport network brings children to school reliably each day. At Alva's school, every child finds a place to belong, a reason to dream, and the courage to shine.